All right, Deanna, so what happened in the last 24 hours?
We had spring snowstorm.
Yeah, what did we get, like 2 feet?
Yeah, 2 feet.
So what is this? What is this that we're doing? It's Snowvlog. Snowvlog 2026, which is, we've had such a dry winter. This is a big deal to finally get some snow here in Colorado. So, yeah, I'd say we had a good 24 inches out of this storm in the last, really 24 hours. But today it's warmed up. It's melting. Right now it's a whopping, let's see, 39 degrees. Yeah, baby! So where do you want to go on this 39 degrees snowy day?
Just around the block.
Just around the block. What's the block? Do we have a block?
Yeah, we do. It's a big block.
We'll do what we call the loop.
Exactly.
Which is like, you know, a 30-minute ride, but when it's 39 degrees, what do you expect? A lot of the snow is already melted. Even from earlier today, it's already melted. Yeah. Which is crazy. This is crazy how fast it melts.
We're supposed to have a freeze tonight and then right back up in the 70s by Friday.
Yeah, 20 degrees tonight.
Yeah.
70s on Friday.
Yeah.
This weekend's Mother's Day weekend.
It's supposed to be nice.
Snowvlog 2026.
You already said that.
Yeah, but you can't repeat it enough. I don't know about you, but I'm really bundled up quite well. I got my leather coat on. I got my hoodie on. I got a long sleeve shirt on. I got my short sleeve shirt on. I got my long johns on. My jeans on. My riding pants on. 2 pair of socks. My boots. Doubled up on the gloves. How about you? What are you wearing?
Lots of layers.
Lots of layers. Yeah. Describe, please. Give us details.
I don't want details.
You don't want details. I love riding the motorcycle when it's like this. You know, those California boys, they ain't got nothing on us up here in Colorado. They don't get to see this and go for these rides like this.
No.
You know, they're all in t-shirts all the time. Talking about how hot it is. Here in Colorado, we ride all year round because of days like today. 24 inches of snow in 24 hours. Now it's 39 degrees and melting and beautiful.
It is pretty out here.
I mean, don't get me wrong, it's nice riding in California. But you get tired of those 80-degree days, you know? You need some variety.
Yep, that's for sure. Snowvlog 2?
This is the 4th vlog.
Oh.
But it's our first official snow vlog. Although there's not a lot of snow down here like there is up at the house.
And watch out up here.
Oh yeah, up here?
That's ice.
Let's be careful up here. It's only 40 degrees, so it could be ice. That looks like salt. That's not ice, that's salt. But we'll be careful nonetheless, because we don't want to fall hard on our side. Oh, that looked a little icy, but it's not. Not at all. Oh yeah, we're golden now, baby. Woo! This is a really cool little canyon we're going to go into here. It's not very long, but it's pretty cool. And if I remember right, it takes us out on the road that we came in on, doesn't it? Kind of
No.
over this way further.
It comes out on the road that goes up to the lake.
Huh.
Where the elk are usually at.
Oh, okay. Speaking of elk, what you all standing there looking at? Do they look familiar, Deanna? Are those our deer?
No.
No? Somebody else's deer?
Yeah, someone else's deer.
Yeah, this is a fun little canyon. First time going through it with some snow on the ground. That's unusual for us.
Watch for leaves.
Gotta be careful in case there's a tree down, some branches down from the snowstorm, you know? Yeah, I think that was about it for the canyon. You kind of come around a couple more curves and then you're out of it. It's not very long.
Yeah.
But it sure is a party time.
Well, hopefully the gate's open.
Yeah, we're probably not heavy enough to activate it.
Well, we just went through it.
No, this is a different gate.
Oh. Oh, okay. I know.
Yeah. Now we can go that way again.
Oh, okay.
And she's open. They opened it up for us. They were like, make sure those people leave.
Exactly.
All right. So we can come up here and deja vu it and do that whole loop again.
Yeah.
This is a crazy time of year because, you know, you get a couple feet of snow. In the meantime, the marina's open. The sailboats are in the water. Sailboats used to be parked here, now they're in the marina. Docks are in. But that was a fun little ride for Snow Vlog 26. Hopefully everybody had fun riding along with us. And hopefully you're sitting on your couch wrapped up in a warm blanket. We're going to go throw some bacon in a pan and make some BLT sandwiches.
Yum.
Heck yeah, baby. Snow Vlog 26. We're out. See ya.
Bye.